an elephant lover who hates animal cruelty but wonders what it's like to hop on one? Head to Thrissur's Thumboormozhi Butterfly Park, which is just about 12 km from the renowned Adirapalli waterfalls. The park offers a unique experience, a mechanical elephant safari on an 8-foot tech jumbo. The initiative recently won Kerala Tourism a PETA Golden Elephant Protection Award as well. It can accommodate 4 people at a time and one ride lasts around 10 minutes. Park authorities call the tusker Thumboormozhi Ganapati after another local elephant in the region. This holiday season, what better way to add a jumbo twist to your vacation?